channel, and I hope everyone is well. Today we're going to talk about the roadmap to become a data scientist. Wanted to be a data scientist but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Data science can feel a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to show you the roadmap of mastering data science with Python. Whether you're a beginner or switching your careers, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to learn and how to practice. And stick around till the end of the video. I'll share the #1 mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid it. Let's just jump in. First thing first, you must get comfortable using Python. And there are a couple of things that you need to learn while dealing with Python. First of all, variables or data types such as int, float, string, list, and dictionary. In addition, you have to learn loops and conditional statements such as if else and for loop. Additionally, you need to learn how to code in functions and modules and etc. Here's the example of the sample code for functions. We're initiating a function name called greet, and if you put the name in it, it will output the greeting tailored to the input variable. For you to polish your fundamental Python skills, I would recommend you to check out Code Academy, W3 Schools, or free Python courses on YouTube. And write small Python functions daily. Don't get stuck here for too long. You don't need to master Python before moving to the next step. Step 2, learn the essential data science libraries. Once you get comfortable with Python, it's time to meet your new friends: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So why these Python packages? First of all, NumPy handles numerical data efficiently, and Pandas helps you clean and analyze the data accurately. For Matplotlib and Seaborn, it makes your data look pretty. This is the sample code for you to load and plot the data. So basically, we're using Pandas to read the data in, and then Hess is to create a histogram. Matplotlib.show is basically showing the plot within your script. And where you can practice this essential data science packages, I would recommend check out Kaggle and work on real-world data problems early. The best way to learn is by doing. Download the dataset and start playing with it. And step 3 is to master data cleaning and exploration. 80% of the time within data science is to clean and prepare data. This step is actually very crucial. What are the things that you need to learn within? First of all, you need to learn how to deal with missing values. You can refer to the video here. And also, you need to learn how to remove the duplicates, detecting and treating outliers. Last but not least, the most important one is exploratory data analysis, or we usually call it EDA. This is the sample code how we deal with missing data. You either drop it or you replace it with min, but there are so many other ways that you can input the missing data. Please refer to the video that I spoke about earlier. For this type of exercises, you can utilize Kaggle dataset to practice and also try to clean the messy real-world CSV files. A data scientist's job isn't all about fancy algorithms. Cleaning data is where the magic starts. Step 4, learn machine learning basics. Now for the fun part. Machine learning. There are three things that you need to learn within machine learning. First of all, supervised versus non-supervised learning. Second thing is classification and regression, such as linear regressions or decision trees. You need to also learn how to use Scikit-Learn for machine learning models. And this is the sample code for linear regression. Basically, we initiated a linear regression function first, and then we put the training data in. Based on how the model is learning from the training data, we predict the results using the model. And where you can practice machine learning algorithms, you can refer to the Scikit-Learn documentation. Also, you can start working on some simple projects like predicting house prices. There's so many resources on Kaggle that you can definitely check it out. Step 5, work on real-world data projects. The best way to get hired, build a portfolio based on real-world projects. Here are some of the ideas for beginners projects. You can predict the stock prices, perform sentiment analysis on Twitter, and build a recommendation system for Netflix. And where you can source the data is either from Google Dataset Search, Kaggle, and UCI machine learning repositories. Those are the three resources that I personally will use. Number 4 is for you to build a scraper to collect the data from scratch. By working on projects, you improve your skills and learn faster. Step 6 is to learn SQL and big data tools. Data science isn't just about Python. You need SQL to query the databases. Where you can learn SQL, I also made a couple of videos talking about SQL. In addition to that, the basics that you need to learn are the basic SQL queries, including how SQL executes and different joins. You also need to learn how to write complex SQL queries for large data sets. And this is just a really simple SQL query where I select all the customer data from customers table and put a filter on age greater than 30. Where can you practice your SQL skills? You can use Mode Analytics or visit LeetCode for SQL challenges. SQL is a must for data science jobs. Don't skip it. And now here comes to the bonus part, the number 1 mistakes that beginners are making. Most beginners spend months just watching a whole bunch of videos but never apply what they learned. Here's a wrong approach: watching 10 tutorials in a row without any coding. What you should be doing is to learn, apply, build, and repeat the whole process. Here are my couple of actionable advices. First of all, build mini projects every week. Small step count. And second of all, join Kaggle competitions. There are a lot of competitions on Kaggle that you can join for free. Last but not least, contribute to GitHub projects. There are a lot of open source GitHub projects that you are more than welcome to participate and be part of. Give it a try so that you know how your skill set learned can be applied in real world. Learning data science is like going to the gym. You need to practice daily to get the results. That's a roadmap to mastering data science with Python, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Comment down below and let me and Mia know what's the biggest challenge that you ever faced in data science. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!